Sir, am I audible or आवाज येतोय का सर?
Yes, yes. You can start.
Presentation दिसतंय सर?
हो दिसतंय, सर्वच दिसतंय. सुरू करा.
Thank you, sir. So, my title of the topic is green synthesis of silver nanoparticles by using medicinal plants and assessment of its antimicrobial activity. My guide is Dr. Shiva Aikal, sir. So already I have submitted my progress report for Catharanthus rosus, which I have used as one of the medicinal plants in the beginning, and I have submitted it to the university. Today I am going to present my progress report on the three plants that are as follows. My topic is on silver nanoparticles and synthesis of silver nanoparticles by using medicinal plants. So these medicinal plants I have been used. So betel leaf, that is in Marathi it is called as vidyacha pan. Then there is a family that is Piperaceae, and this plant is usually used as a pan after the meal, and there is a lot of uses of these plants, plant leaves. For many reasons it is being used to remove the lung congestion and asthma and cough. It is being used from the ancient time, so that I have been used. Second plant is Adathoda vesica. This plant is also used for the cough, and in Marathi it is called as Adulsa. This plant is this photograph is from our college, DSM college, and these leaves I have collected from college.
Excuse me.
जोशी
Yes,
मॅडम, तुमचा स्क्रीन म्हणजे स्लाइड पहिलीच अडकलेली आहे. सेकंड स्लाइड, थर्ड स्लाइड वरती आले नाही अजून आपण.
आले सर, मी सेकंड स्लाइड दिसत नाही सर. दुसरी स्लाइड लावली,
पहिली स्लाइडच दिसतीये.
एक मिनिट.
चला नेक्स्ट करा ना.
नेक्स्ट केलंय सर मी, तुम्हाला शेअर होईल. हा, एक
आलाय. थर्ड स्लाइड वर आला.
सेकंड स्लाइड आली का सर?
मायक्रोबियल ऍक्टिव्हिटीची स्लाइड आलेली आता.
हो का?
अडातोडा.
हा, अडातोडाची. हा,
तुम्ही ज्याच्यावर क्लिक करायला ते दिसायलंय. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
हे आलं का सर बीटल लीफ आता?
हो, चला स्लाइड शो करा, त्याला स्लाइड शो करा.
हो, केलंय सर स्लाइड शो. This photograph is from my home. I have planted this betel leaf plant. Then this is from our college. This is also from my home, the Catharanthus rosus, but I have already submitted the progress report for this. The Tinospora cardiofolia, this is called as Giloy in Hindi and Gulvel in Marathi. This is also a plant which is used for the respiratory tract infections. Then it is used as antioxidant and antimicrobial activity. And there is another plant I have selected, that is a Ocimum santum. It is called as.
मॅडम, तुमची स्लाइड परत पहिलीच बीटल लीफची चालू आहे.
बीटल लीफची दिसते.
Yes, Ocimum sanctum.
Ocimum sanctum आले.
मॅडम, तुम्ही स्लाइड शो करू नका. तुम्ही त्या पॅनल वरती क्लिक करा, आम्हाला दिसेल इकडे.
बरं, ठीक आहे.
करून पॅनल लेफ्टला एक क्लिक करायचा. हा,
ठीक आहे.
तुम्ही जसं क्लिक करताय स्लाइड शो करू नका. शेअर करून डायरेक्ट. येस सर.
आणि इंट्रोडक्शन
हा.
स्किप करा मॅडम.
ओके सर.
प्रेझेंटेशन फक्त तुम्ही काय आपलं काम केलेत ते सांगा.
हो, सर.
इंट्रोडक्शन नको प्लीज.
पॅनलवर क्लिक करा.
शेअर करा ना. शेअर द स्क्रीन.
आता दिसतंय कसं?
प्रेझेंटेशन शेअरिंग नाही केलेली आहे तुम्ही.
बर, प्रेझेंटेशन शेअर
टाईप मध्ये अगोदर शेअर करा.
प्रेझेंटेशन शेअर नाही झालं म्हणतात. पॅनल राहून ते बाजूच दिसतंय का सर?
हा चला.
हा,
आता
चालेल. हा,
आता
ठीक आहे.
राईट.
हे Tinospora cardiofolia and Ocimum sanctum. So material and methods I have used all the requirements: petri plates, conical flask, micropipette, cork borer, etc. Then media I have used nutrient agar for the testing of the antibacterial activity. Then potato dextrose agar for the antifungal activity. So these are the medias, two medias I have used. There is a method for preparation of Piper beetle leaf extract. Same method is for the all the leaves I have used, but I will represent one of the preparation. So leaf powder, fine leaf powder is prepared. Then it is taken in the 250 ml conical flask, and 1 gram of fine powder is added in the distilled water. It is boiled for 60 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes, and this extract is being taken and it is filtered, and this is after cooling is used for the as a leaf extract. AgNO3 is prepared by 0.169 gram of silver nitrate was weighed, and it is added in the 100 ml of distilled water, and it is giving 1 millimolar AgNO3. The leaf extract is being taken 10 ml, and 90 ml of AgNO3 solution is being added. Both are mixed, and from this the 10 ml of the solution was being taken, and it is heated for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, likewise up to the 18 minutes. So this will give slowly as the time changes, it gives the dark coloration from the colorless to the brown coloration was being started. It is shown in the photograph that AgNO3 is there. There is a leaf extract, and the 10, 20, 30, 40 the screw cap tubes are there. You can see the dark coloration of the test tubes, which is showing more and more coloration to the test tubes, screw cap tubes. Means the solution is being changed, color is changing. The color change indicates the formation of silver nanoparticles. The antibacterial activity, which is being studied by making the seed plate agar plates, the E. coli, Bacillus, Salmonella, and Shigella, 4 organisms were being taken as a bacterium, and these are common. E. coli and Bacillus, Salmonella, Shigella are the pathogens. These both were checked for the antibacterial activity. So these seed plates are being made in the nutrient agar plates, and where the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, likewise the timing which were being given for the preparation of silver nanoparticles, that solutions were being placed by the disc, paper disc method. These are dipped in the paper disc, filter paper disc, and it was being placed, and the zone of inhibition was being measured after the 24 hours incubation for the 37 degrees centigrade temperature. The control was being kept for the AgNO3 then silver nanoparticles and the leaf extract. So after 24 hours, the zone of inhibition was measured. Antifungal activity was being done by using potato dextrose agar. These Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus flavus both were being taken for the study, and there is a well which is being cut in the potato dextrose agar of the 5 millimeter diameter with the borer, and the silver nanoparticle solution extract with the extract which was being added in the wells. So there is a zone of inhibition was being seen after the 3 days at incubation of the 30 degree centigrade temperature. So at the room temperature it was being kept. So these are the photographs of antibacterial activity, antibacterial activity for the Salmonella, Shigella and E. coli and Bacillus. So these are the antifungal activities. So these tables are for the beetle leaf. So it is seen that the control which is having 0.5 control which is having 0.5 millimeter zone for the E. coli, then Bacillus 1.2, the Salmonella which is 0.6 and the Shigella which is having 1.2. The control second which is having the 0.2 zone, 0.2 millimeter zone for the leaf extract, and 0.2, 0.2 and 0.3 for the leaf extract. While you can see that there is a silver nanoparticles which is having 10, 20, 30, 40, which are having some increasing range of the zones, that is 0.6, 0.4 for the Bacillus, and there is a more increasing zone with the Bacillus than the E. coli, where you can see that there is a again a good efficient zones which are also being seen with the Salmonella and Shigella also. So it is active on the pathogens also, but it is more active on the Bacillus than the pathogens. Then there is a means Aspergillus niger and flavus. There is a more zone means significant zones which are not being seen with the Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus flavus as compared with the control, means it is less active to the fungus, and it is more active to the bacteria, Bacillus or the pathogens. There is a Adathoda vesica which is also having the significant zones as with that of the like the other plants, but there is a what you can say less significance which is zone of inhibition was seen with the Salmonella and Shigella as compared with the this E. coli and Bacillus. So antifungal activities, similar type of the results are there. There is a less significance is there. There are the zone of inhibition were less as compared with the control, and Ocimum santum which is having the much more zone of inhibition with the Salmonella and Shigella than the E. coli and the Bacillus. So the Ocimum santum which is having also the zone of inhibition which is less with the fungus. So from this these three plants, three plants means first is the periwinkle which I have submitted. It is also having the significant result with the Bacillus, E. coli, and also the pathogens Salmonella, Shigella, and it is also having the less significant zone with the fungus. Then silver nanoparticles for the Adathoda vesica, then Ocimum santum, and betel leaf, which are having significant role of the zone of inhibitions with the bacterium as compared with the fungus. So the silver nanoparticle synthesis is more active or more sensitive method for the to study the antibacterial activity than the antifungal activity. So this is a Adathoda vesica, which is a good medicinal plant for the synthesis of silver nanoparticles, and it is showing the good results against the antibacterial activity, and this plant is better than the other plants as compared with the result as such. So these are the references, and thank you, sir.
Now the topic is open for discussion. If examiner is having any queries, he can raise.
There are certain typographical mistakes are there, ma'am, while presenting
Yes.
this
Yes,
any
sir.
kind
Yes.
of a presentation.
Yes,
Because I
sir.
find spelling for betel is a B-E-A-T-L-E in some slide and B-E-T-E-L in some slide.
How, sir? Sir.
As well as certain names of microorganism. You have started a capital letter with the spaces, so I request that in future while presentation, please
Okay,
go through this some
Okay, sir.
minor mistakes.
Okay,
Actually, they
sir.
are not mistakes; they are typographical mistakes.